This morning, I got up at 3 o'clock. I went to the airport. I got a 6 o'clock flight down to Hat Yai. Then I got a bus from Hat Yai Airport into the city, and I got dropped off at a clock tower. And they said, at the clock tower, you'll get the Toyota van that will take you into Songkhla. And usually with these Toyota vans, there's no markings, there's no signs, there's no bus stops, but it worked like clockwork. I got the Toyota van into Songkhla, and I am here now at Samila Beach, at the park right by the beach. And the first thing I'll say is, it's nice. The beach is clean, the sand looks white, it's really, really cool. The second thing, I have not come for the beach all the way from Bangkok. I have come for cars and coffee on vacation, which has taken a trip down south to Songkhla. Cars and coffee on vacation. It's been a few locations around Thailand that I've been to, but this time it's gone right down south, and that is pretty cool to come and see and check out the vibe, check out what is going on, because yeah, a lot of cars have come down from Bangkok. The usual suspects, they have loaded their cars onto transporters, they've shipped them down here to this event, and you'll see a lot of cars on my video that you will recognize very well and you will know. But there's a lot of cars from the south come in, and that's what I'm interested to see what the scene's like, see what the influences are like, what's going on with the modified, with the tuning scene down here. And a lot of cars that come up from Malaysia. Already there's a lot of Malaysian plates here, so going to see what's come up. And yesterday was the big national holiday in Malaysia, so perfect opportunity. A lot of people have rocked up from Malaysia to join this event, so this is big. The Tourism Authority are supporting this event, so congrats to them for putting this together. This is great for them, grabbing the car scene and realizing that there's a lot to be extracted from it. And already we're at nearly 5 o'clock, the place is packed, and there are loads of people come out for the evening, come to see the cars, come to check them out. So that's what it's all about for the TAT. So big congratulations to TAT for putting this together. Going to try and show you around, see what's going on, and hopefully see a lot of cars I have not seen before. And I have come down the beach. Really nice to come down the beach because the beach is really beautiful. The sand is a bit sinking into it, so that's why I'm not keeping the video too smooth. It's going to be jerking around a little bit because my feet are going everywhere. So anyway, on that note, I'm going to go back over to the show, which is really cool. It's laid out in the park. All around the park, the cars are laid out. There's a lot of cars here. It's already jammed up, and it's 4:30 now. I'm going to try and show you what's going on. So let's see anyway. Let's catch up with the southern scene. And it is nice to tick Songkhla off my list of places I have been in Thailand. And in fact, I will just add one more thing as well. I'm going to be back here next month for a week. Today, I arrived this morning. I'm going back tomorrow morning. 24-hour trip. But next month, PT Series are bringing a street race to Songkhla, and it's right here on these roads where the show is. So it's going to be an epic location. I'm going to be back here for 4 to 5 days for the PT race, because Be Quick will be racing in the Honda City 1 Make race, and Impact Speed Park will hopefully also be running in the Honda City 1 Make race, so I have a few cars there to cover and teams to work for. So I'm going to be back here. I'm going to do a bit more tourist stuff then, hopefully. But today, just going to try and catch up with the cars, see what's going on. To the best of my knowledge, I have never seen a Morris Marina in Thailand, and I'm not too sure this one is going to be with us for very much longer. That is absolutely hanging, but it's a Morris Marina, and I'm pretty sure it's the first one I have seen here. What I was saying about Malaysia coming over here, being so close, and the cultures and the influence is spreading over, we got a lot of K-cars here. Now, I've done a few videos and I've explored the K-car scene in Malaysia, and it's the biggest outside Japan, but all these K-cars are on Thai plates. So clearly the K-car scene is big down here. And then something else that you don't see very often, the very, very early tuk-tuks. And then while we're on the K stuff, we got a Suzuki on big wheels, and we got more K-cars around here. So clearly the K-car influence spreads out of Malaysia and up to Songkhla. Right, well, I'm going to write my name in Songkhla on this man's car. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. This is my car, Datsun 720. Engine TD 27, original Nissan standard. Color no make, colors original. Rim 15. Enkai. Long time, own year, 20 year. It's a magazine, AO Sport. Is this brochure? Brochure from dealer, about 40 years.
都是完整的呀ถึงมากไทยเท่สุดนะอย่างนี้ถ้าพวงรถมาคุณต้องมั่นใจ
Yes, I'm from Backview Pictures. So I'm from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Alright. So this is the first trip, Hayai. Car and coffee. Yes. Thank you.
Hi guys, we're here with Car and Coffee on vacation, right? Songkhla, right? We're here with the Thai Tourism Authority of Thailand, right? They are sponsored this event. Okay, right here, my buddy's Sunny truck from Malaysia, and we are over there with the Starlet, and we actually came in 3 trailer. Okay, so 20-something car from Bangkok to enjoy the event with the local people. Very warm welcome here today. So a lot of people, very nice crowd. Wish you can be here.
Hi, this is my first time here, very great time and so beautiful, and thank you so much that my friend bring me today. Thank you so much, bye bye.
I'm not sure this is the south of Thailand, a Mira pickup beer truck conversion.
We try to build the local beer. You know, like by the law, we cannot brew the beer and sell it here. But we are trying to, not against the law, but we try to show that Thai people can brew the beer as well, and we can make a good beer.
So now it's time for some cruising, some dynamic action, and we've got one of the oldest games in the modified car event book. How low is your stance? A lot of cars you're going to recognize here. Adapt Civic build. Then we've got Squad Services Epic S2000. So a lot of the cars that come down from Bangkok. I mean, there's a few I don't know here on this EG for starters, but a lot of very familiar and the same faces and the same kind of people when you play this game. But basically, they throw a tape up, you got to go down under it. Kuntus, E30, you cannot mistake that. And then we got great Jaruts, EK build here. Again, you can't mistake that. Anyway, back to it, they throw a string across, they keep dropping it down, you've got to get your car down. A lot of these guys are running low, a lot of these guys are running on air and they're jacking them right down. You go round until you get eliminated. and the crowd has really rocked out for this one. You look at the people all the way around me. Man, the people from Songkhla are getting right into this. And then we've got Mania Garage here on the front. That can get as low as it goes. So anyway, not going to take this too seriously. Just see what happens, what goes on. And it's pretty low.
อันนี้คือเป็นผู้ชนะทั้งหมดเราจะลดความสูงไปเรื่อยๆครับโอเคครับผมต้องสงขลาครับเข้ามองได้นะนี่คือทีมของเราครับของขอรถสงขลามาไม่ได้พูดเข้าถึงการที่เราเข้าแล้วแต่ท้องงานใหญ่ไหมยังครับแต่ท้องงานใหญ่มาถึงจังหวะนี้กูเกิลโอเคยอดที่ต่อเลยว่า
It's absolutely thick with people. The people of Songkhla have come out tonight for this event. It's ticking the boxes. It's really connecting with the local people, and that is really cool to have that happening. It wouldn't be a car meet without some Rotiform aero discs rocking up. And these kind of turquoisey discs, which are colour coded to this 86's bodywork, look pretty good, works well. Rotiform always stands out, usually works well. These definitely do. This is a little bit different. This 105, a really nice finish on it. And this grille, it's got the original heart in it, but this grille has been retro made. It's a different pattern. It looks really nice on the car, and this racing style no bumper really works on this shape. But wait till you see round the side. Advan 3 spokes on an Alfa Romeo 105. Never in my whole life have I seen that. Epic. It really wouldn't be Thailand if some American classics didn't rock up. And you can guess what's going to turn up. On the end here, a Bel Air. If you follow my channel, you now have a weak spot for Sephiroths. In the south, same as in the north, there's a lot of really cool Sephiroth builds here. A lot of face-ups, a lot of pretty crazy engine bays. I've seen a lot of bonnet innovations on trucks over the years in my time in Thailand. Mostly composite materials, cutaways, that sort of thing. But I have never seen a bonnet working like that, like a Lamborghini scissor door. This bonnet folds up in the middle. That is epic. That is the innovation of the night.